Ever wondered how blockchain technology could evolve and change just like living organisms? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? When we think about blockchain, we often imagine a fixed, unchanging structure. But what if I told you there's a blockchain that can adapt, learn, and grow? That's right, a blockchain with the ability to self-amend. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality. Say hello to Tezos, the self-evolving blockchain. Rewind to 2014. Arthur Brightman and Kathleen Brightman envision a new type of blockchain. This isn't your typical story of techno-geeks tinkering in a garage. No, this is a tale of ambition, vision, and the desire to revolutionize the way we think about blockchain technology. Arthur and Kathleen dreamt of a blockchain that could learn, adapt, and evolve with its users. A blockchain that wouldn't be left in the dust as technology advanced. This was the birth of Tezos. In 2017, they turned their vision into reality with a record-breaking initial coin offering, raising over $230 million. This was a clear sign of the faith and belief people had in their vision. But like any disruptive innovation, Tezos faced its fair share of challenges. Legal issues, community disagreements. The road was bumpy and full of twists. Yet the vision of the Brightmans remained undeterred. The road wasn't easy, but the vision was clear. A self-evolving blockchain. Tezos took flight in 2018, marking the beginning of a new era in blockchain technology. Unlike its predecessors, Tezos introduced distinctive features that set it apart. One of these was on-chain governance, a democratic process allowing stakeholders to vote on protocol changes. This was a game changer, bringing decentralization to a new level. Another feature was self-amendment, the ability for Tezos to upgrade itself without the need for a hard fork. This meant no more disruptive splits in the community over upgrades. The cherry on top was baking, a unique consensus mechanism that incentivized user participation. And let's not overlook formal verification in smart contracts, a method that enhanced security and reliability. Tezos wasn't just a blockchain, it was a blockchain that could adapt and evolve. Fast forward to today, Tezos stands as a unique player in the blockchain world. It's a trailblazer with its self-amending protocol, allowing for progressive enhancements without the need for a hard fork. This, along with the on-chain governance, ensures that every stakeholder has a say in the future of Tezos. Then, there's baking, a clever twist on the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that keeps the network secure and operational. And let's not forget about formal verification, a feature that enhances the reliability of smart contracts. Tezos isn't just a theory, it's being used in various sectors. From finance to gaming, and even the digital art world with NFTs, Tezos is making waves. Tezos, a testament to the adaptability and evolution of blockchain technology.